Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create remote desktop access in Ampere VPS in Oracle Cloud. We use NoMachine software for this. There are more benefits using NoMachine instead of VNC. User-friendly interface and simpler setup. Rich feature set including clipboard sharing, file transfer, session recording, and multimedia support. Better optimization and efficient compression. Supports multiple users and sessions. I will show in this video how to set up NoMachine server in Ampere VPS and connect to it using NoMachine client in Windows. So, let's see what things we are going to do in this video. First we are going to set up NoMachine server. So, you need to follow its subtopics respectively. Next we are going to set up NoMachine client. So, you need to follow its subtopics respectively. You need to download a file which contains things that we need in this video. You can find download URL of it in the description of this video. So, click on URL. After you click on download file URL, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Scroll down. You can see download file topic. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now click on subscribe button in my YouTube channel. Go back to previous web page. Now wait until searching is end. Click on file button. Click on download button. File is being downloaded. Let's start our work. Setting up NoMachine server. We need to set up NoMachine server in Ampere VPS. First log in to your VPS. Setting up security rules and UFW. We are going to open port in this step. NoMachine uses UDP traffic in port 5353 and both TCP and UDP traffics in port 4000. But, I highly recommended you to when adding security rules, open all traffics in all ports. Because even you opened all traffics in all ports in security rules, you still can manage your all traffic using UFW. So, let's do it. Go to instance details page of your VPS.
Click on Virtual Cloud Network. Click on Security Lists in left side. Click on Available Security List. Click on Add Ingress Rules. Type 0.0.0.00 in source CIDR. Select all protocols in IP protocol. Click on Add Ingress Rules.
Next let's set up UFW. Go to Setting Up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you have added a password, type it and press enter. Go to Setting Up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy Setting Up Firewall command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Type Y and press enter. Now your VPS will be rebooted. After reboot, log in back to VPS. Installing desktop environment. Let's install desktop environment. There are many desktop environments like GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, LXQT/LXDE, Mate, Cinnamon. We are going to install GNOME. Go to Setting Up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you have added a password, type it and press enter. Go to Setting Up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy installing desktop environment command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. This takes some time. Adding new user account. We need to create a new user account that has password authentication, to use in remote desktop connection. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. You can see name word in Adding New User Account command. You need to replace the two name words from username for your user account. You can use any name for username. Now copy Adding New User Account command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Type strong password and press enter. Retype strong password and press enter. Press enter until this over. Type Y and press enter. Installing NoMachine. Let's download NoMachine deb file. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy downloading NoMachine URL. Open this URL in your browser. Scroll down. Click on NoMachine for ARM. Scroll down. Click on NoMachine for ARM ARMv8 deb. Copy URL in download button. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. Replace URL text in downloading NoMachine to VPS command, from copied URL. Copy downloading NoMachine to VPS command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Go back to web page. Copy this command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Enabling clipboard sharing. Now we are going to enable clipboard sharing for both sides. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy enabling clipboard command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Go down below using down arrow key. Now remove hash and enable clipboard both phrase. Press Ctrl+X. Type Y and press enter. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy restating NoMachine service command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. We successfully created NoMachine in server side. Let's create NoMachine in client side. Setting up NoMachine client. We previously created NoMachine server side. Now we are going to connect to it. So, I am going to set up NoMachine client in Windows. Installing NoMachine. Go to Setting up Remote Desktop.txt file. Copy downloading NoMachine URL. Open copied URL in your browser. Scroll down. Click on Download button in Enterprise Products Evaluation section. Scroll down. Click on NoMachine Enterprise Client for Windows. I choose 64-bit version. Now click on Download button. Now exe file is downloading. After downloading file, open it. Click on Next. Choose I accept option. Click on Next. Click on Next. This takes some time. Click on Finish. Installation process is completed. Let's open NoMachine. Adding NoMachine server configuration. Open NoMachine software using the shortcut. Click on Add button. Give a name for connection. Type public IP address of your VPS. Go to Configuration tab. Set configuration settings as these. Now go back to Address tab. Click on Add button. Let's connect to server. Connecting to NoMachine server. You can see previously created connection. Choose it. Click on Connect button. Click on OK. Now you need to type username and password of the user account that we previously created. Tick Save this password option. Tick Always Login option. Click on OK. Click on OK. Tick Don't show this option. Click on OK. Tick Don't show this option. Click on OK. Untick Mute option. Tick Don't show this option. Click on OK. Tick Don't show this option. Click on OK. Tick Don't show this option. Click on OK. You can see Ubuntu server now. Click on Next. Choose No, Don't Send option. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Close this. Let's check Clipboard sharing option is working or not. Clipboard sharing. Now you can see I open Notepad in both Windows and Ubuntu server. First I copy from Windows and paste to Ubuntu server. Next I copy from Ubuntu server and paste to Windows. You can see it is worked perfectly. Let's see file transferring. File transferring. First let's transfer a file from Windows to Ubuntu server. Click on this icon. Click on Transfer a File option. Click on Upload File from the Client option. Now choose File. Click on Open. Now choose location for putting the file. Click on OK. Click on Show. Now you can see uploaded file. Let's transfer a file from Ubuntu server to Windows. Click on this icon. Click on Transfer a File option. Click on Download File from the Server option. Now choose File. Click on OK. Now choose location for putting the file. Click on Save. Click on Show. Now you can see downloaded file. I think now you know everything needs to know about NoMachine. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment on this video. Like and share this video.